Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. So in our previous video, we have started with some of the important questions from module 3 of this subject technological innovation and management entrepreneurship. Again, those are new to this video. We have already discussed some of the key important questions from module 1 and module 2. So these questions are provided with an initiative that the whatever the student writes in the exam, he can be scoring good in the exam, and I assured you that you will be scoring around 60 to 70 plus if you check to these questions which I have told you in my videos. Okay, yeah, so let's continue. Already five questions we have discussed in module 3. This is the sixth question now. It's available in just previous to this video. It's available in our channel. You can check it later. Explain the key characteristics of a successful entrepreneur with example. Okay, we should be explaining some of the characteristics. So first characteristic is creativity. Creativity involves the ability to generate new ideas, products, or services that solve problems or meet the market demands. For example, they've given one real life scenario example that Steve Jobs introduced the innovative products like iPhone, which revolutionized the tech industry. Okay, this is the example of creative innovation. Entrepreneurs innovate by giving resources a new purpose to create wealth or improve efficiency. For example, again, real life scenario example they have mentioned here. Elon Musk's development of electric vehicles at Tesla transformed the automotive industry. Okay, the automotive industry has grown due to Elon Musk's innovation related to Tesla. Okay, you all might be knowing it. It is trending nowadays. Dynamism. Entrepreneurs display energy and adaptability, revising their goals and strategies as needed to align with market trends. For example, Jeff Bezos, again, one real life scenario. These are all the huge names of tech industries. Jeff Bezos expanded Amazon from an online bookstore to a global e-commerce giant. Okay, you might be knowing it, right? Leadership. Leadership enables entrepreneurs to guide and inspire their teams to achieve organizational goals. Again, one real life scenario example: Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google, has led the company to success through his strategic vision and management. Okay, Sundar Pichai. Again, you might be knowing who is he. Team building. Successful entrepreneurs form and manage cohesive teams that work collaboratively towards common objectives. For example, Howard Schultz, again a huge name in a business industry, build a strong team of Starbucks to scale the business globally. Okay. Next is achievement motivation, problem solving skills, goal orientation. Okay, these things are very important. So let's get to the next question. Discuss the different classifications of entrepreneurs. Okay, the entrepreneurs are classified into several types. They are classified based on their functional characteristics. Entrepreneurs are categorized by the roles they perform, such as innovator, organization, or organizer or risk taker. For example, an innovator focuses on developing new products while an organization efficiently manages resources to run a business. Okay. Entrepreneurial core capital competencies. This classification identifies entrepreneurs based on essential skills like decision making, leadership, and problem solving. Okay. Next is based on the development angle. Entrepreneurs can be classified as traditional or modern depending on their approach to development. For example, a traditional entrepreneur might run a family business while a modern entrepreneur creates a startup in cutting edge industries like AI. Based on types of entrepreneurial business, they are classified. Again, they are classified based on their personality types of entrepreneurs. Again, they are classified based on schools of thoughts on entrepreneurship. Okay, yeah, you can note these answers down. So, next question: what are the common myths of entrepreneurship? And provide the classification for at least three myths. Okay. Ah, yeah, this is again a very important question. Common myths or superstitions of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurs are born, not made. Okay. Clarification of this sentence is many people believe that entrepreneurship is an innate trait. In reality, entrepreneurial skills can be learned through education, practice, and experience. Successful entrepreneurs often work hard to develop their abilities over time. Okay, so these are the myths or superstitions which are revolving around the society, right? Okay. For example, Jeff Bezos learned management and innovation through education and corporate experience before founding Amazon. Okay, it's not that thing. Entrepreneurs are academic and social misfits. The clarification is there is a misconception that entrepreneurs are dropouts or non-conformists. While some entrepreneurs did leave formal education, most are well educated and society skilled individuals who leverage their networks effectively. For example, Bill Gates, a college dropout, still values education and has a strong network of professionals contributing to his success. Again, next is entrepreneurs are fit and ideal profile. Clarification: there is no universal template for a successful entrepreneur. Entrepreneurs come from the diverse backgrounds with the varying personalities, experiences, and approaches. Next is all you need is money to be an entrepreneur. Okay, that's not the thing at all. That's a huge myth that you need only the money. Money is required, but along with the money, skill sets, experience, financial background, everything is required. So you should be having all of this. Only money is not required. Okay, while money is important, it is not the sole requirement, as I've told you. Vision, planning, market understanding, perseverance, equality are more crucial for success. Okay, next is all you need is luck to be an entrepreneur. Okay, luck is not required. Luck is a factor, but it is not the only factor. Okay, hard work and dedication also is required. Okay, for example, Oprah Winfrey overcame numerous challenges and worked hard to build her media empire, demonstrating that success is earned not randomly but due to hard work. Okay, hard work is very, very essential. A great idea is the only ingredient for business success. Okay, so this is on one more myth. So again, we have a lot of myths here. I've written it down, but again, you can choose any one of them. Any if this question is of 10 marks, if you write any 5 to 6 myths, it's more than enough, but the explanation is required. Okay, yeah. So next question: describe the entrepreneurial development cycle and its key stages. Okay, the entrepreneurial development cycle comprises three key stages that guide an entrepreneur from inspiration to sustained growth. These stages include stimulatory support and sustaining activities. Okay, the entrepreneurial development key stages are: first is stimulatory activities. Definition is that it is aimed at encouraging and motivating individuals. Details: these include awareness programs, workshops, and other training sessions. For example, government or private organizations conducting start your business. Okay, so this is the real life scenario example. Supporting activities: activities are designed to provide entrepreneurs with the necessary resources and guidance. For example, the details is these activities include financial support, mentorship, etc. Sustaining activities, definition, details, example, everything is there. You can go through it later. Next question is: discuss any two entrepreneurial development models with two examples. Okay, entrepreneurial development models provide structured approaches to fostering entrepreneurship. Two widely recognized models are economic development model and competency development model. Okay, economic development model overview. This model focuses on creating an ecosystem that supports entrepreneurial activities to boost economic growth. It emphasizes factors like infrastructure, policy support, and access to finance. Key components: the key components are developing entrepreneurial culture through education or any other means, providing financial incentives like subsidies, loans, and grants, creating supportive infrastructure such as industrial zones and business parks. So again, these are some of the example scenarios. You can note it down. Competency development model. Okay, overview. This model focuses on equipment individuals with the necessary skills, knowledge, attitudes, etc. And these are some of the key components. You can note it down with some of the examples. Okay. Example is National Skill Development Corporation (NSDC), which is very famous in India, trains aspiring entrepreneurs in specific skills to enable them to start their ventures. Okay. This is a very important side. NDSC. So if you don't have any knowledge about entrepreneurship, you can visit this. And if those are interested, you can join this. This is a particular course where you would be trained to become an entrepreneur. Okay. So this is that example. They mentioned it here. Yeah. So that's all for this video, guys. I've tried to cover very important questions from module 3. Okay. Two videos are there of module 3. In the same way, we have created for module 1 and 2 as well. So last two modules are pending, module 4 and module 5. That also we are going to provide it in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned for that as well. Like, share, subscribe to our channel. Keep supporting us as the exams are coming near. You should be watching these videos regularly and sharing this video with your friends. Okay. So yeah, that's all for this session, guys. Like, share, subscribe to our channel. Stay updated. Thank you.